Hi, good morning to all. My name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the teaching and non-teaching recruitment notification in one of the private university. So here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there and the few non-teaching vacancies are also there. So we can say that huge vacancies are there from the multiple departments that I am going to show you right now. And eligibility is a UG or PG or a PhD depending upon the designation, and the last date to apply this one is the 30th June 2020. There is no application fee, so you can apply without having any type of fees. So these are all the highlights of this notification. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is a DIT University. So it is a private university. So first you enter into the official website of this university. Here you can see that it is a website link, dituniversity.edu.in, and after entering into this one, here the careers blog is there. So click on that one, then you will be directed to the current job openings in this university. Here just click on this current openings, and so here you can see the different academic and non-academic vacancies in this university. Registrar, Dean, Research and Consultancy, Admission Counselor, Admissions Manager, Administrative Operations Officer, Front Office Executive, Professor, Trainers, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor, Deputy Registrar and Assistant Professor in Mathematics, especially Statistics, Trainer required for the aptitude and soft skills, Office Executive, right? So if you want to check the academic openings only, then here click on this academic, then you will be directed to the academic openings, just like professor, associate and assistant professor and dean, all these things. And if you want to check the non-academic posts, then click on this non-academic, then you will be directed to this registrar, admission counselor, office executive, admissions manager and administrative operations officer, like this. So right now I am showing the academic openings, and especially for the assistant professor. See, for the assistant professor department, academic and minimum 2 years of experience is required. Job description in engineering, computer science, civil, petroleum engineering, information and etc given here. So to know the remaining disciplines, just click on this view details. Then you can see here. So these are all the engineering departments, and these are all the management departments, and faculty of architecture and design, pharmacy, humanities and social sciences, and applied sciences like physics, chemistry, maths. So here they given that PhD holders shall be preferred. So preferred means it is not the essential qualification, it is only the desirable qualification. So the post graduation with the UGC NET candidates can also apply, it's not a problem. With minimum 2 years of teaching experience must be there. So the interested candidates may send their resume to this mail ID. Mail ID is also given here. And if you want to apply online, just click on this apply now here, and then you will be directed to fill up the details, right? So these are all the details you have to fill up, and after filling up the details, you have to simply click on the submit. Then your biodata and the details, all the things will be uploaded in the website, right? So after few days, they may approach you depending upon the details and the academic and the whatever the activities you have done up to now in the research and in the teaching experience, all these things, fine. So it is the update that I want to provide you regarding the job openings in DIT University, right? So if this information is helpful to your friends or colleagues, then please share this video to them. And for more updates and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.